This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to rotate shapes in PowerPoint. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is PowerPoint 365 for Microsoft Office. It works the same in Windows or Mac, what I'm about to show you. So I've opened up the slide and you can see I have 2 types of shapes. I have this rectangle and I have this arrow, and I want to change the way that they're oriented. So let's start with the arrow first. In order to change the way that the arrow is pointed, what I would do is I would click it once, and then you can see that these 2 dots appear. Actually, let's blow it up a little bit so we can see it better. These 2 dots appear at either end of the arrow. What you need to do to change the rotation or the orientation is grab one of the arrows and then move it. So let's say I want to make it so it's pointing at something else, to community. Maybe I want to move it so it's the start point is not all the way over here on the right. So I just grab it. I'm clicking on this little dot, and then I'm shifting it over using my mouse. Okay? That's the way to do a line or an arrow. If it's another type of shape like this rectangle, it's a bit of a different process. I'm going to click it, so I select it. And I don't know if you can see this. Let's zoom in a little bit more. There's like a little, kind of like a circle arrow above the center point of the box. I'm going to grab that with my mouse. I'm clicking down on the left mouse key, and then I'm kind of shifting to the right. And you can see that there's a degree marker, so now it's 16.59 degrees. I can also shift it this way. Okay, whatever way that you want to make it so it's tilted for it, if you have some reason for doing that. So this is just an example, but that's how you do it, and then you just save the presentation. So you would do Command C in a Mac, or Command S in a Mac, or Control S in a Windows machine. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see the book we have on PowerPoint Basics in 30 minutes. I'll leave a link in the show notes. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching.